Hello, and welcome to another Divi Booster tutorial. In this video, we'll focus on adjusting the alignment of the footer menu in Divi. Customizing your footer menu alignment not only enhances the overall design of your website, but also improves navigation clarity for your visitors. We'll explore a couple of simple methods to achieve this, helping you create a polished and professional look for your site's footer. Let's get started. If you're looking for an easy way to adjust the alignment of your Divi footer menu, the Divi Booster plugin is a fantastic tool. With Divi Booster, you can center, left, or right align your footer menu using a straightforward settings interface. This means you don't need to dive into editing code. Everything is handled through an intuitive menu, making the process quick and user-friendly. Let me guide you through how this works. To access the footer menu alignment settings in Divi Booster, start by going to your WordPress dashboard. In the left-hand sidebar, click on the Divi menu, and from the expanded options, choose Divi Booster. Once you're on the Divi Booster settings page, scroll down to the footer section and expand it. Then, open the footer menu subsection. This is where you'll find the settings specifically related to your footer menu. In the footer menu settings, start by enabling the checkbox labeled Set Footer Menu Alignment. Once this option is active, a drop-down menu will appear where you can select your desired alignment. You can choose to align the menu to the left, center, or right. For this example, select Center to center align your footer menu. Once you've made your selection, remember to click the blue Save Changes button, located either at the bottom or the top of the page, to apply your updates. After saving, head over to your website's homepage and scroll down to the footer. You should now see your footer menu aligned exactly as you set it, in this case, centered. For those who prefer a bit more customization, you can adjust the alignment of your footer menu in the standard Divi footer using custom CSS. This approach gives you precise control over how your menu is positioned. The great part about this method is that you can make these changes directly in Divi's theme options without needing to edit any theme files or templates. Let me show you how. To access the custom CSS section in Divi, start by navigating to your WordPress admin area. In the left-hand menu, click on Divi and then select Theme Options. This will open the Divi Theme Options page. Once you're there, remain in the General tab and scroll down until you locate the Custom CSS section. This is a large text box where you can add your own CSS code. Now that you're in the Custom CSS section, all you need to do is paste a simple snippet of CSS to center your footer menu. The code instructs the footer menu container to align its text in the center, effectively centering the menu items. For the exact code, please refer to the accompanying post where it's provided in full. Once added, we can move forward to save the changes and preview the results. Once you've added the CSS, don't forget to click the Save Changes button to apply the update. After saving, navigate to your website and refresh the homepage. Scroll down to the footer and you should see your footer menu perfectly centered, just as you configured it. And that's it. By following these straightforward steps, you can align your Divi footer menu and create a polished, customized look for your website. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.